Hey, good afternoon, everybody. This is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Stuart. This afternoon, we're walking you through a 280 SLX Sea Ray. We'll start up front. You have starboard and port seating, anchor locker up front with a remote control for your windlass. Walking through the windshield area, you have head area off to your port. Spacious, easy to get in and out of. Starboard side, you're going to have your double helm seat, dual screens, tilt steering wheel, digital throttle and shift with your joystick controls. This specific boat has a Fusion Apollo stereo. In the cockpit area, you've got stadium seating everywhere. You also have your table mount that's removable, cooler storage underneath the starboard side seat. And on the aft section, you're going to have a big sun pad with a fold-up backrest, more cup holders, places to charge your phone, and you're going to have your reliable Mercury outboard power. This boat's also equipped with sea deck throughout the boat. If you want to stop by and see us, come to MarineMax Stuart. Thank you.